love to share with you this awesome alarm clock with night light. It is very light in weight. It actually fits in the palm of my hand. It will be a perfect alarm clock for children's room. So this awesome product, as you can see, it comes with an LED display and it has like this mirror effect in the front. And guys, you can set up 2 different alarms in this clock. You can choose between 4 different modes for each one of those alarms. So for example, you can set up alarm daily, for weekdays, for weekends, or you can also customize it as your preference. Another awesome quality is that it comes with 8 soothing and relaxing sleep type of music that you can change with this button right here in the back. And to make it even better, it has night light displays. So you can either choose these lights right here in the ring, or you can change the lighting of the numbers. So let me show you the ring of light. With that, you're gonna press this button called light in the top, and you have up to 8 different super cool colors for you to choose from. Now, if you want to change the color of the numbers, you're gonna press the color button right here in the back, and you also have up to 8 different colors to choose from. In addition, you can dim this light of the numbers from 0 all the way to 100 by using this wheel in the side. So you can turn it completely off, or you can make it super bright with this wheel right here. Overall, this is a very cool alarm clock that it comes with night light and also with sleeping music. And like I said, it will be a perfect alarm clock for the children's room. I highly recommend it, and I really hope you will enjoy it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.